Hello guys, thanks for your support in my previous videos. I would like to take a moment and say thank you to all of my supporters on my YouTube channel. Something I once thought I would never do, but it was not me, it was all of you guys that watch my videos hit the like buttons and the share buttons. If it was not for you guys, I could not have achieved this milestone. So we did it together. You guys deserve a round of applause. We thinking to start a motivational channel in YouTube. Are you interested? Please comment down in this video. I will know how many of you interested. Thank you.
असाइज हाँ